Baby girls, happy birthday. Look at Elise. Look at how cute the ears look.
I'm a kitty kitty.
Get away, just bang my line and I'll arrange it. Beautiful.
Me and Martha here in the car. Jolene made it. Jolene made it. What's that? What you eating? Look at the birthday girl. Bella, how old are you today?
10.
No, she is 7.
10.
Bella, what number is that? Oh, you're doing 1-0. I'm like, that's not 10. It's all 5, all fingers, all 10. Mama, how old are you turning? Say 3. 3 years old. Jay's out. Birthday girl! Come on! Don't be modest now. All right, we get it. Sure. It's water. Yeah, it's called sake. Baby sake. Yeah. What is that? Birthday dinner.
Look, Spider-Man Johnny, Spider-Man.
Oh my God! Look at the baby.
I finished my drink. Please don't call me a child.
You finished the period.
Yes, don't call me a child again.
She must be lit. Another one.
Another one, thank you.
Another one, thank you. Cheers. Martini, girl. No, I think we're good for right now. Okay, you go open your eyes. Okay, so because you're 10 years old, you are old enough to have a
I got A.
phone.
I got A.
So that's your phone and there's an extra case. Happy birthday, I love you.
Oh no, I think this was right in there. You want broccoli? You want to call mom on your new phone?
You want to call her? She's like, put it in. It's a little loud in here so she can't hear you. Happy birthday to you. Take your headphones off. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Bella. Happy birthday to you. So everyone gonna rent it out. $100 It is like 1:35 in the morning. The balloon arch is done. This one is still awake. This one couldn't hang no more. She was out. Mother, we went to sleep. Children over here doing something. And I'm ready to go home. I got popcorn. Oh, thank you. Oh, look at Giselle. Come on, popcorn girl. Look at Giselle. Oh my God. I didn't know how it worked. I thought it all stayed fit with a little thing. Giselle is carnival working right now. I'm fucking weak, Giselle. Turn this party out. Period, period, period. Pooh. Shit it. Look at the Barbie herself. Shit it. Shit it, all you bitches. Who the fuck told bitches they was me now? Come on. Come on. Is everyone enjoying the popcorn?
Well, I am.
Okay, I need to get dressed and then we're gonna have a party. Oh, you get all the bubbles? What y'all want from me? Y'all wanna play? We wanna play! We wanna play! What y'all wanna play?
Music!
Alright. Everyone, y'all ready to start?
Yeah!
See, you gonna play the music?
That's better, Tim.
Yeah!
See what we've become. In the cold light of day, we're flaming the wind of the fire that we begun. Every argument, every word we can't take back.
Who's ready for some cake?
What's up, guys? As y'all see, I'm in my studio because I just wanted to keep you guys updated about my life and basically life after cosmetology school. I graduated May 10th. It is now June 4th today. So I'm about to make a full month out of cosmetology school. It's so surreal. My life has been crazy, like non-stop movement since I graduated because I had all these birthdays. So I started off with my mom's birthday, then it was my fiance's birthday, then it was my other mom's birthday. I also had one of my good friends, Kaale's birthday, and then we had the girls, so my niece and then my little sister. My little sister is June 2nd and my niece is the 4th. So we had a birthday party for them the 3rd, but I hung out with my little sister for the weekend and stuff. So it's just been very hectic. I have been on go mode since leaving cosmetology school. With that, I also wanted to share some news about the studio and what I plan to do after cosmetology school. Everyone has been asking me, everyone wants to know, the $1 million question is, what are you doing with that license? What am I gonna do with the license? So I told you guys that when I got licensed, I've always wanted to offer washes with your services. I am not able to offer washes because I only have this little sink here, and I had the option of bringing my own sink in here, but I have to pay to get it installed and stuff. and it's just not ideal because this is a lash studio. So this is a lash and brow studio, amazing luxury studio, but it's not really equipped for a hairstylist. We have one vent system that's up there. We all share the vents. So if I do too much blowouts and too much flat irons, everyone is choking in the space. And we just couldn't keep doing that. Like, I can't keep doing this myself. So with that being said, I would like to say that I am officially leaving. After 3 years of being in the space, I have decided that I am going to leave Lush Beauty Ave and I am going to my own suite. This feels so surreal, and it's like I lost my voice, so like my voice is shot from yesterday. I was having too much fun at that birthday party. But yes, I am officially leaving Lush Beauty. I love it here. Like, these are my favorite girls ever. Like, I'm telling you, no bad blood, no nothing. It's just this space is not ideal for a hairstylist, and I need to elevate and I need to grow. So I have decided to take my talents to a studio, and the studio is actually called Phoenix Suites. Me and Jolene will be 2 of the new residents there. Oh, yes, you guys heard that right. Jolene and I are sharing a studio space again. So I am so excited. By the time you guys see this video, we will be showing you guys a tour of our space. So this will be like, oh snap, they've been working on this. Like, yeah, we wanted to get our own storefront, but ideally it was just a lot of work and a lot of stuff that we didn't want to put ourselves through. Me and Jolene both see ourselves doing hair, but we do not see this being our end all be all. And we want to use this part of our lives to like elevate the rest of the stuff we have in store and the rest of the things that we would like to do in the future. So we were like, let's get into a suite and see how it goes. We went in, they showed us 2 suites. I'm so excited to work with my sister again. It's gonna be crazy. Like, I know this girl's gonna have me on live all day. Like, I can't wait, but I feel like it's gonna be a great option for me. I think it's gonna be really good for the glam, for the clients. Like, I'm gonna be able to wash everyone's hair because I'm moving in July. So after July, I would only be offering hairstyles with the wash included. Even if you come and you're washed, I'm gonna wash your hair again. I wanna start with my products, my things. I wanna have all of that set. I don't wanna keep doing hair and not knowing where you started off in. I wanna know that I started here. So whatever you do at home is not my business, or we're gonna fix whatever you do at home. But just know we're starting from here and we're gonna build your hair to healthy hair. So that is like my main thing. Right now, I actually have this notebook because I am writing down everything I feel like we need to start getting for the studio space. I started writing down everything we should be getting for the studio space. I really wanna like up the ante with this. I wanna make sure that our launch is like nice, that we have a very luxurious, really nice comfy suite. I want to get like diffusers. I want to get like silk robes for people to come in and wear the silk robes instead of wearing a big cape. Like, I want everyone to feel comfortable. The towers are going to be nice. Like, everything's going to be very, very nice. We're going to have more than enough, like what we need. Like, I'm just really, really excited. I'm excited to work with my sister again. I feel like it's been so long. I've been here by myself, being a hairstylist in this space specifically for 3 years. So I'm super excited to get back into it. And the space we're moving into, there are multiple suites there. So we never know who we're gonna meet, who we're gonna bump into, who we know. So that's exciting. So excited and like optimistic about this place. I feel like it's gonna be a good way to start. Like, I just feel like it's gonna be very exciting. I'm excited. Yeah. So I will tell you guys more about it when it does happen. Right now, I believe we have a meeting with the lady next Wednesday so that we can bring in our paperwork and all this stuff and everything we need to get our stuff started. I believe I'm most likely gonna put out this video after we move in. So this is gonna be like, y'all gonna be like, oh yeah, like, we already knew this, because I'm gonna make a post on Instagram when I'm moving. I'm gonna put the keys, you know, gotta put the keys. And then I will drop the vlog about like how everything happened, the suite tour and all that stuff. So tune in, make sure you guys comment and let me know your favorite moments that you guys have seen in the Glam Plan shop. Love you guys, thank you guys for always supporting me. I appreciate all of you guys just always being there for me. I'm excited for this new journey. I can't wait to see all the new girlies, all the OGs. Like, I'm just excited for this new chapter in my life. On that note, we are closing this chapter of my life. I love you guys. I'll see you guys soon. It's official. It's official. It's official.
All right, well, just make